Hey friends! Today we're learning 240 essential English words. Simple, useful, and perfect for daily conversations. Stay with us until the end. You'll improve without even noticing.
Hey les amis! Aujourd'hui, on va apprendre ensemble 240 mots essentiels en anglais, des mots simples, utiles et indispensables pour parler tous les jours. Restez avec nous jusqu'à la fin, vous allez progresser sans même vous en rendre compte.
Hello.
Bonjour,
Hi.
salut,
Goodbye.
au revoir,
Please.
s'il te plaît, s'il vous plaît,
Thank you.
merci,
Yes.
oui,
No.
non,
Excuse me.
excusez-moi,
Sorry.
désolé,
Help.
aide,
Friend.
ami,
Family.
famille,
People.
personne,
Man.
homme,
Woman.
femme,
Child.
enfant,
Boy.
garçon,
Girl.
fille,
Name. Country.
pays,
Day.
jour,
Night.
nuit,
Morning.
matin,
Evening.
soir,
Time.
temps, heure,
House.
maison,
Room.
chambre, pièce,
Door.
porte,
Window.
fenêtre,
Key.
clé,
Food.
nourriture,
Water.
eau,
Bread.
pain,
Rice.
riz,
Meat.
viande,
Phone.
téléphone,
Bag.
sac,
Car.
voiture,
Street.
rue,
School.
école,
Work.
travail,
Job.
emploi,
Money.
argent,
Shop.
magasin,
Market.
marché,
Book.
livre,
Pen.
stylo,
Table.
table,
Chair.
chaise,
Bed.
lit,
To be.
être,
To have.
avoir,
To do.
faire,
To go.
aller,
To come.
venir,
To see.
voir,
To look.
regarder,
To watch.
regarder film, vidéo,
To hear.
entendre,
To listen.
écouter,
To speak.
parler,
To say.
dire,
To ask.
demander,
To answer.
répondre,
To call.
appeler,
To eat.
manger,
to drink,
boire,
to cook,
cuisinaire,
to sleep,
dormir,
to wake up,
se réveiller,
to walk,
marcher,
to run,
courir,
to drive,
conduire,
to stop,
arrêter,
to start,
commencer,
to buy,
acheter,
to sell,
vendre,
to pay,
payer,
to need,
avoir besoin,
to want,
vouloir,
to love,
aimer,
to like,
aimer bien,
to hate,
détester,
to help,
aider,
to learn,
apprendre,
to study,
étudier,
to teach,
enseigner,
to read,
lire,
to write,
écrire,
to open,
ouvrir,
to close,
fermer,
to put,
mettre,
to take,
prendre,
to find,
trouver,
to lose,
perdre,
to clean,
nettoyer,
to wash,
laver,
to build,
construire,
to live,
vivre,
to die,
mourir,
family,
famille,
father,
père,
mother,
mère,
brother,
frère,
sister,
sœur,
husband,
mari,
wife,
femme, épouse,
son,
fils,
daughter,
fille,
baby,
bébé,
friend,
ami,
neighbor,
voisin,
teacher,
professeur,
student,
étudiant,
doctor,
médecin,
police,
police,
driver,
chauffeur,
worker,
travailleur,
boss,
patron,
client,
client,
head,
tête,
face,
visage,
hand,
main,
finger,
doigt,
foot,
pied,
hair,
cheveux,
eyes,
yeux,
nose,
nez,
mouth,
bouche,
ear,
oreille,
shirt,
chemise,
pants,
pantalon,
shoes,
chaussures,
dress,
robe,
jacket,
veste,
hot,
chaud,
cold,
froid,
big,
grand,
small,
petit,
long,
long,
short,
courte,
good,
bon,
bad,
mauvais,
easy,
facile,
hard,
difficile,
fast,
rapide,
slow,
lent,
new,
nouveau,
old,
vieux,
young,
jeune,
happy,
heureux,
sad,
triste,
angry,
fâché,
tired,
fatigué,
hungry,
affamé,
thirsty,
assoiffé,
sick,
malade,
busy,
occupé,
free,
libre,
ready,
prêt,
fruit,
fruit,
apple,
pomme,
banana,
banane,
orange,
orange,
grape,
raisin,
vegetables,
légumes,
tomato,
tomate,
onion,
oignon,
potato,
pomme de terre,
carrot,
carotte,
meat,
viande,
chicken,
poulet,
beef,
bœuf,
fish,
poisson,
egg,
œuf,
milk,
lait,
tea,
thé,
coffee,
café,
juice,
jus,
water,
eau,
bread,
pain,
rice,
riz,
pasta,
pâte,
salt,
sel,
sugar,
sucre,
butter,
beurre,
cheese,
fromage,
soup,
soupe,
salad,
salade,
oil,
huile,
house,
maison,
apartment,
appartement,
kitchen,
cuisine,
bedroom,
chambre,
bathroom,
salle de bain,
living room,
salon,
garden,
jardin,
floor,
sol,
roof,
toit,
wall,
mur,
door,
porte,
window,
fenêtre,
key,
clé,
lock,
serrure,
light,
lumière,
lamp,
lampe,
bed,
lit,
pillow,
oreiller,
blanket,
couverture,
chair,
chaise,
table,
table,
sofa,
canapé,
TV,
télévision,
remote,
télécommande,
fan,
ventilateur,
fridge,
réfrigérateur,
stove,
cuisinière,
oven,
four,
sink,
évier,
shower,
douche,
toilet,
toilette,
soap,
savon,
shampoo,
shampoing,
towel,
serviette,
toothbrush,
brosse à dents,
car,
voiture,
bus,
bus,
taxi,
taxi,
train,
train,
plane,
avion,
airport,
aéroport,
station,
gare,
road,
route,
street,
rue,
highway,
autoroute,
traffic,
trafic,
driver,
conducteur,
passenger,
passager,
ticket,
ticket,
seat.
siège.